Jaro fundina. Joda. Panjado yeah. Mi'kmaq Resource Center. Curriculum Development Center. Na, kaya kawid mo ko karo. Na ang kida suti ka kuya. Ang kamtibero kung pwede mo kasi ko ka. Udes na. Alin no ni wagay patem kana. Na gisado ko pero kasi dan unwe edel maulo pa mo. Iswi ba? So that was 2009. 2009 에 포르투갈에 I was in Google last 인왕 무슨 일 나오니 나서 올해의 미션 스테이트먼트는 멜북까지 기나마는 왜 내가 모르는 와라 지금 미망을 그리스 pero 그러면 내가 미스키 기나마는 promote education and reinforce Mi'kmaq language and culture consistently through lifelong learning while Mi'kmaq people. Eldoya 2009 we put out a project that's Sony School Board on Harry Walton. Mauyam pues mau meltam to 10 days here Ekabiniga, I was a videographer, catalog a boy material piece, a digiga, a little curriculum writers. So we can buy Helena, but we can buy Sheila Morris, Sharon Paul, Catherine Johnson, Joel Denny, Angie. This but Cheryl need incident look na 2011 kakaya project kita na Sony School Board kelu ka idea kelu bulia spesiawan na siawan bulia for staff of 4 new year Elizabeth Neckley, Cheryl, Arlene, Arlene. There we go. Elizabeth Neckley, supervisor, editor. Jujolene, translator, curriculum developer. Putting we got even was what the way health book, no diet, it's a science, social studies. Well, we got to get it where we needed in the province. And he was wild, he was squeezed, Diane, they can scan one. Diane, scan, he missing two still, volunteer, it's scan one of Seattle. Did you? Because he was squeezed, he never was squeezed, he get you. That's the was squeezed. Negen de man Elizabeth, and negen say sweet. Megwego pen wala. Putting a spelling na ha get back this with those one. Keep the well to say those one. As you Amasias, la well menesa, as you Buddha, na never look at that, never saw. Already we are on putting it on to sometime a lugar muy variable. Todo will Julia, I'm sitting, but I don't even know, just coming out there with one room. Everyone is lugar and I go up to go, up down, as a swan. I was still waiting. Hey girls, boy, down with Pina. Now translate to our swan. And everyone never know to John, what John, up with the real thing. But I never must know clear that you could translate or curriculum development. Did you never mark down to it? One does have forgotten. Now to hold all go away, because I do it. Put it again. Did away up. Well, we got even it, and we don't. This translate to our do it. Did you scan a picture of Diane? Did you after busy press to our that's about 40, get a little script, get one in. Now, go to layout, Arlene never lay out to the door of those one. They didn't want to spoke to. Well, men would you bring 3 signs? You know, Dan did it, we just spoke to. A lot of them now, Joe being booked a glass year to, and yet you to the God on that. To you are Cheryl Negum, grab the gardens, well, we got even. No kid. Well, I'm supposed to well, yield to it. My am supposed to well, beside what I've been. I didn't wait. I'm not me, Sylliboy, me, and let's hear. Arlene to me, garden style. Well, I need no looks, Reggie. Eldorben pencil sketch beside of never drawing now. Did you Cheryl never was water or scan water or did you ill? Inking, colorized water, and if you want to see also, then we know I didn't do it. Then we don't do the hard work, the way we water, 2 1 comes down, 2 pieces of we got to go together. Did you somebody hard was water with? Did you put a elder picture of right from scratch, beside all of them was Cheryl up. Down with your PEI, the legend of PEI. So na little video did you Diane and Eggerman, Bim look at doctorate of linguistics. Me ma have you know the message today. I've on my hand and I have one next year. Everything you know the message, you know sing, you know infant, a hello continue to. Diane, look what you love. And I see sport. I'm a wonder. Says Babu, what around you? At the night. Maybe genius, maybe. So maybe translator, editing, all the materials developed at TLE, I help leg out, Negama, New York, boss, ringleader. Did you It'll ginamo he's part-time of 30 years CBU. Help ko rin wala gulog na. Did you wala ulo ko diya ka? University, boy, minimum translation work. Matakti ko siya dito na kita work na. Nanem mo wala. Ano ba na sila mo for translation work? So next month na. You know, very more normal. Genius on it. That's what I'm doing. And then when you translate you want one read that you can worksheet English to read mas legends mawag sa legends to read ma help to really read my language material putting it not one classroom pugal ki bijwa bish kera dige putting it Berube even the magic na well me school kahoy pecs was even wala swadin kila minugan memory copy was laminate was kila well classroom we schedule nila one wide so no text kisara ang those that have special needs children we future na jwa boy wala tutoy wala sislage tunoy to now, ano ba remember? Sa 1 to 10. Do you ready with the older grades 1 to 30? Maudes pila 1 to 100 apalado. Pwede na stable insight to me na ha. Now copy of it.
So, Sylliboy, let's see.
So well, go ya, middle of the year, put it in down email, huh? Okay, next. Okay, Cheryl. I'm hooked of genius.
Yeah.
Che ci due mica Maya, Pishka, this one.
If you hold this right quick, and I'm gonna set it up over there. Just it's online.
You are translating, they'll take the same do you have really also naka kabediahan elegally na Pacific transcribe o transliterate. You gotta
Transliterate, it's a transcribe. When you're changing your orthography?
Yeah. I call it
Really?
transliterate.
Yep.
But if it's
Up close so I
prayer
can
book.
Cioè, è squadrino.
Madam, we could more mandate to me not just the school, but the community as well. So could they do a quite on adults ago because interest all of
Wala
the.
na ay, coloring book. Ay, dadel ki mo zooming. Kada ka laso di makandano doon zooming kay gimche.
They go copy.
Did you ugas ko dum sa mysteries. Akala yung di ugas ko dum sa
I think number website it too.
Mga
Kada
copy
yung website ito kadnen mo na pipani na siya permission from the Dominic kasi do this na daughter sustain Paul. Na ginam widim ne 5 years permission ne kuya man ne. Gusto is kaya wala ko kasi ginam mo to stay. 5 years was gonna make copyright permission.
So
1 year is kaya.
so mail logo diye says spend money.
Neka mo kasi email wad wad.
Arlene, how do we see website?
TLEcenter.org. Center, see, ewan kasi nada niya.
아버지 기노하루
Cheryl,
싫어.
kinuha si Ross. Nega mo mo chika. Ay daw bigo ya.
Julie, Cheryl, nega ba? Art, or ba?
Model is you. Model is.
Genius.
Malia siya niyan TLE, Grenier got megala, we got even Nakra, did you have Grenier teacher, principal, boy, school, banner, poster, certificate, boy, Elia, you got the nigga.
Order. Nega ko no Cheryl.
A doctor's going.
Diane, volunteer, now, e-pissing, but every Tuesday, everything, photocopy, we scan, and we did the worksheet, go to all we got again. Did you need na? Abawan makan, di ginamakan to language, but did pa sinapoy.
Ane bugal ya bo ano siya. Bugal ganu mas tiek. Nega bem ginama. Taw na ane bugal ganu siya.
Did you wait, go, pisado, put in the end. Wala stickers sa nega man, pisado siya ka piniga, put in the end. Visuaji, buka ka, nasuot chica. At me, what you want to Jula, CBU, students of Mesnabnik, put in the end. Several students, Tokologudino, now interview wala di elders sila. Jujua, Tahoya, Wajadwa, Pudini, Agano de Mahan, elders sit, Nagisido, the Poka. Wala nemo in na Chida students of the way of junior high school, will that smog and it's Agano Rosia. Grenier, story of Willala. Did you to be la pedagog we got him cook, Sado, Smuggins, 레로이스가 우리 비교에 가서 가그노도 마하는 거 나스테고 나 비사주에 그 번뉴이 그토노 뒤에 가지 학교가 글라스에 그토가 소리를 우리 윌베스 마그니 라고이지 윌베스 마그니 이제 비사주에 매려 홈마 그래 뭐 홈은 윌 스마그니스네라 애기자스 remembrance day 스쿨이나 그래 NSCC 왜가 우리 뭐다 이제 가지기 때문에 CPU 이노네다 I am called Smaglis so no te was pegi situela kinuada hania ere koi kinuada hani was eri kuri yang kam tu mun ke kinuada le kiri uri a hai koya pegi okay Tujula kuri jela mo boil kan me kuri primary minuwa ke binda
Mom,
primary teacher
pass around all there. Begin mo gre wan gisa kattu minala smog ni se.
na elda ham
Kuri gisa kattu da.
lebi minona
Okay.
sound minuwa ke na ko ho nudemen lapuel big L little L do it nudai ki sheet to parent Nagisi even to me that was lapuel kuiti wala na parent kuri egi no mo juni chan chip to ne ma this weed mo na ko ye de ba chip to klo do la let it ne chip to klo do ne south pole iga do res mi jwa ji wrong video so I let it wali pot laman parent chip to koi close kwa ne no do jwa ji Judla nego ini no vas kwilmi di da ke colloquial J and so on. We was ignore the magic sound la primary. Judla grade to BL na lagi sa ada hante ba? BL lago. Pero kinamo grade 2 immersion. I do it sad mo kla do it I was a grade 2 teacher up to school. Sad mo pigad we are unit to flaman because we have to snake and writing activity last week. Now we out writing activities for June. You got a word wall. I do it. Kishka unnuado da hoy kisigno muhi. Now you go to stomach well deska unnuel holiday la events la koya kuri treaty day anku kam ko ina go edega alno yagno mahane tekno se oh pasa lana sample okay kuri lana mo iwaja October ya treaty day treaty history Mi'kmaq history Did you put in the LPG worksheet? Did you? Mitwaji ja. Eldo leg magno mahana put it. Go away cheat push maybe the element. We get it Paris simple. And Mitwaji was good meeting. Now go away beforehand. Did you? Elogad meeting classroom. Did you? Larema elnoala go Bishka. Then we home police who sturdy. Na school. Nikja with ne kawamos Jigala. To your t-shirt, to Velukas, Mikudiet manage when you put it out. Edo Atmon for Tina Matno home. You are just getting old magic to bring residential school, why we order the orange t-shirts. Kakabahos Kapkikis Kagro.
Right, Nina Vena.
The science nigga. But in later beside whether grade 3, grade 4, grade how things move, science reader la. And I never was here. Jujula grade kindergarten not primary but I don't know why you judge. Taligas peaceful. Oigas despesa, meduna, pesa. So kinukista so duilla.
Rego science sale, kisago. Mere ko bugak ko rego but regulation ko bas bigsi do aba. Esi bom deliberate. Kujua scotch deliberate. What anyway? ICC.
Baby and.
Yeah.
Grade level on to go.
Ja,
We down teacher without on material usually that's grade level.
se det där går.
Catherine Francis, Catherine Johnson, grade 4, they look at healthy habitats. Now this are on to Negma, we got that you can move a little hard move. So I got science book for their classroom. Unuit to be with us.
Good evening, Barbara Berube.
Two.
Georgina, PEI. Is the order down the Negum for her school?
You can what is name, copy.
Maar jullie maar eens, I'll get him maar eens nice.
Kizil gid mahan file, jump drive.
File.
Dan pas ko ala do it.
You'll get him up. When you said you all jump drive, Ghana so just.
Kiswell to when menuege chikayong pas.
Fast we kan se ali piga do det, men de har alla då
When
permission.
I was gonna, kaya ni kailan na mo, then elo ba mego.
Copyright, yeah.
When I was gonna have permission from Pearson. But I was pa way mego, but I way was galam. Agla siya ginamo. Which was
Classroom kan.
classroom. Kaya was it.
It's in the Nova Scotia curriculum.
Kan was gonna have permission ni nen lad nen na. So mugis kaya ni kaya mo like ki bas kiswe optus. Magis ali piga do gis kana.
Reading it to see, na, så alla då.
Reading A to C, amuja.
Ja, alla
Reading
då.
A to C, na sigam.
Japp, tror alla då permission.
Permission was gonna make. Reading A to C.
Yeah.
Ano mo, social studies here.
A to C.
Jaha, reading it to see, na, website is.
Grade level on to go.
Grade level, grade 2 well, na social studies. Ah?
Barry, what time?
Hello, last year,
Blair.
Bob Green. And then we studied me, and Pearson now, she's mad cool. My mom with me. So then we saw was after.
Det är åt oss.
They want to stay boy.
And in the very dim the webinar, 2 years now, was a lot of them done. Read it to see, missing the bit of time and
Eagle Crest.
Eagle Crest.
Eagle Crest, yeah. Okay, this. Did you want? Hey, go ahead. Everybody on our own, huh? Kuri kisad whether been poster unuit to go last go unuit pison. I put the mail unuit pison. Did you see them got to unuit to ba? Kuri go ahead.
What's going on? Barbara, I'm say kasi.
Ja,
Till then,
Ebibni.
everybody, pas mo gaji ka bakit ko din ke computer na.
Oh ja.
Now live lang.
Bayad to everything. Koy bayad ko na sa TV, sit computer ni.
Amla baktes kumala di. Did you wala na mo unuit pison na. We got even headache no deal unuit to decide whether agla siya we to got no deal. No deal unuit to. Unuit pison. Okay. Wait, this is extra outside of yung dahoy classroom subject. Did you grade 1 and 2 work below? Beside on the worksheet teacher up there. Math, like needed, subtraction, story, stuff, goals. Now beside on the love. Let him know
Chapter the Muslim.
chat. Let him well on sada school.
Mana ay math po ba?
Yeah. Okay. Next one.
Sabi
Det blir... Bara såg eller så här.
Social studies, please, let me do all yeah. Like I said, dahoy teacher on the classroom, we allowed to set books. Juwaduk siya, was reading what is now.
okay, sir.
wala nineng mo yung kamlam. Was wide with a legend so, every kumego, abi was straight wide with a kurila. Wala neng mo well mega ba, A to Z. Wala din was it, the other Goldilocks, ha? Oh, Goldilocks and the other three bears, one for the Midanin Muina, Wula Muina, Negamo, in that book, Squidgy Noo. That's why we'll do a bear plan, huh? To love Chibi of Gino Megabad Wahan. And then my legend of PEI. To Joal Falling Star, Adwan, Tommy Widget, book to it. The legend of the falling star, not read it, what's show and tell.
Det må jo website dit den også. Det.
Website dito na sa se Angela do ang negmoy. Two
Apple market it or Berube?
huh? Yeah. Oh well.
Sjawaj. Sjawaj.
No, that's the exercise. So la negmoy kesa dum ni mera negmoy. Kinis kami jinaki wajad, ba? These are legends that are passed down from our grandfathers, and this is where I love to play because if I had a choice of all these,
Click the next one.
Wala kita with a placemat, front, back, que was gigan. Juju, come kwajwe kasiko. Ekinodamasin when two kinodamasin symbol. Igadu ba, come kwajwe kasiko. Lord's Prayer. Juju under each one. Edip. Meaning, Kalamana, Kiskinodamasin spring. Nige, Ningeji waso, Karwa, sit hamua, would it Mahamito. Let it was Miskam. So, you know, Giskinodamas in odds and ends, putting here, 7 sacraments of Eril symbol. Juju. You got to wiggle Benapa, Kijigawell, Mount Kijigawell, Kisadu
No, not that one.
7 sacred teachings, symbols.
Okay. I'm gonna leave that one till later.
Okay.
And that one till later.
And that one.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it. Well, all you chicks are doing. Okay, just put.
You're on.
Kon ik Cheryl kijken naar ons?
Cheryl,
Dan
you
leg hem
want
deel
to
goed.
dan deel goed.
Oh, sim type die nee, pas het. Oh, ik moet eens eens pas het. Samen nou.
Geneva, buddy.
Oh, maybe now. Oh, I'm gonna solve it. Sheila.
Mag hij net om nastek is?
You have to take that off?
Nog wel.
We needed that other, that last part after.
Yeah, after. Go through yours and
And then,
that's somebody, then. Oh, you know somebody. I'll let it.
Wat doe je al?
Oh, oh, eu ando assim, tá ruim, mas eu sabe meta. Na michua de schemo, de jola, kujumu. Ah, pois me na classroom, lá dentro. Oh, mas eu sabe mu de sismo na já. Begi sim, quando o hagawa da canta, no infant.
Mam, basketje die geworden is.
Na, Pemi a jeble we dia dam canta ha, kilo.
Pas het basketje die de station.
Hello.
Ja.
This is us, and that's our logo. And But anyways, I'm Cheryl,
Excuse Sylliboy.
and I probably know some of you, so not all of you. Go ahead, Arlene. And I'm just gonna talk about what I do here and why we actually do what we do. Because there's been other attempts to develop written materials for children. There was the old Center of Excellence, and they had quite a few books and things that were done, but I don't know how much they were distributed. We found a lot of that old material. And we needed new material, because the old material, a lot of it was hand-drawn.
Screen bas basketball ma. Reactes boy.
See, this shows the, what the old book looked like. It was line drawn. There was
So why, ma?
a lot of,
So why?
details, and it was, and that's the new illustration for that cover. Go ahead.
So basketball men so ne
So,
idol.
and some of the stuff we had, we didn't have original material for, so we developed it. It's like Barb showed you already, the legend. And that one is another one, Muna Law School, where we needed the new art. Also, teachers need posters, like basic posters that show like red apple, yellow banana, that kind of thing. So I developed some of that stuff too. Okay, go ahead. All right, with the old books, the material, Liz and Barb and Arlene go through it, and they look for spelling, grammar, to make sure everything is correct. And if it isn't correct, then they add corrections to it and they give you the text. And then the pictures are redrawn by the artists, myself and Ray J. And most pictures are drawn completely new for the book, or they use ideas from the old books, from the old Center of Excellence books, and redraw it into the new material. So it shows, for example, the original book is mostly line drawing with no color, and the new cover artwork was made Photoshop using poses and original artist references, so that was my cover for that book. Where there was no original source material, new drawings from scratch were made. For instance, Ray J was an amazing artist. I'm sure half the artist he is. His art style is accessible, it's beautifully drawn, it's really nice stuff, but he does pencil drawings, and we can't use the pencil drawings for the books because they're hard to see. So all the drawings were originally done in pencil, so we had to put them into a digital format, so we had to put them in something that we could print out and distribute to the school, to the grades. But that was my job, the coloring. So Ray J was commissioned to produce several books, and the original pencil drawings were received and scanned in, and I scanned them in to digitize them. And this is what the hand-drawn post-scanning image looks like. You can see it's very pale, it's very, in the next layer, and these are all in different layers in Photoshop, is how it works. I did the inking to cover the lines, the next one, and then the coloring is added to the picture to give it life and to attract the interest of the children more. Okay, some of the books I did my own illustrations for, and one of them was The Legend of the Star Brides, and it hadn't been previously drawn. As far as I know, I don't think you've actually seen it. This is the original line drawing. Usually when I start, I do like a squiggly kind of to place them in the picture, and then I do the drawing of the image that I want. Okay, and then the background is put in, the sky. Some other elements are put in, and then the background of the trees and so forth are put in there. And the final image flyer is the image of the girls and their skin color and the dresses and all the details that go in on top of that. Okay. And then we did some other things with posters which showed the color, number, money. There's the apple again. The teachers request them, and we do that for them. And this one was a little poster that was it wasn't original, but it was very kind of hard to read. This one, it's kind of not very good scan, but image of me, but that's the one that I did to replace the old one. And this is our website, and it contains a bunch of books, posters, and other materials. Click on the text, but I'm not sure. There it is. This? Yeah, click it on.
Internet on it no.
Oh, no internet?
No, you didn't hook it up.
Well,
Second, you saw this, eh?
our duty.
Okay.
Okay, well anyways, that's the address. You all can check it yourselves. It's kind of, I mean, I'm not the world's greatest web maker, so it looks like it was made in the 1990s.
But it's all original.
But
Cheryl, it's
yeah.
all original material
Yeah,
that,
it's all the stuff that we've done ourselves, and we don't have any of the LLI books because we couldn't get permission to do that, but it's all our original material.
Nene muigia wanda sigi.
Including posters.
Little eye
All our
book.
books.
Kakasad with a little eye book. Orange,
Yellow,
Series.
no, orange, green, or blue.
orange, green,
Megwe, get it go.
Running records, so that'll.
Amo, there go. There go. Kure ala moon, sand, negamola, there go.
Una nagmo e mo get any more anji.
Oh, shy.
Concept of princess, you go all the way, nagmo e Assam below. You got a primary up in here. So about 11, the way I got you got the book.
Front, back.
Yeah, you want down the good, we got it now.
Where more go out, negamon, but there go for grade 2. Because you don't sand, moon.
Okay,
Well, I didn't know the live.
blue book.
Blue kid.
Orange book, huh? Now,
50, there go.
70 days ago, orange book. 50, green one, that's ago, 50.
50.
The 120 blue book.
70, they'll do them green.
70, yeah.
Nang mo website ito ba ko? Maho.
Translate to out of we got it good. Do your worksheet, get you with
Negamoy, Jida. Mina, me gone with orange kid.
Paula, ni yan ano, wala mo, Caroline, mo tawa ka. Kaya mo siya ito, the power translate to ne. Tala din yan, Caroline? Kaluwi mo, back translation. Yes. Ako, gisuwi ka may lang nuwit to. Ano ako ulit, kilo, uwi kong winin, ang galas niya ito, taluwas.
I just wanted to say that if you guys want to look at some of the books that we did, we have some copies up here. You can just take a look at them. I don't know if you have any interest. We can't.
Wait, today
Actually, you
actually
can take a couple of them. Legend of PEI.
No, they're not done.
Yeah,
They're doing an activity. You want to record that? Oh.
ang galas niya ito,
And I think we have stickers and stuff to give away, and copies of some books. So, anyways, thank you very much for putting up with it. Yes. Anything where there's a pile of things, you can take. And I.
Habang nasa ano, yeah.
wala na yung mo Order sa
stickers here, Abe, would you look this then?
Oh yeah, they need that thing.
and snara sticker.
It's the only one he does.
But just read it.
Tell me about Nassau, Mom. Body Bella, Geneva.
Excuse me, Geneva, na?
Are you doing the activity now?
Huh?
Activity? So what are you guys doing?
Huh?
What are you guys doing now?
They're doing a written exercise, like back translating. It's in Mi'kmaq, and they put it back in English, so we'll know how accurate our translations are.
Okay.
Take me out. You expect my teacher.
Arlene, you don't get out of here. Arlene, you can water up. Some other little things you do on the side, bring in.
Teacher, I'm gonna just finish. Boy, don't let him wait. Keep and speak secrets.
She counselors, I'll tell you that I'll put money get him. And you go to that. Oh, Gigi, money come on, but I didn't want to put up her video. Suni again to all one people.
Lorman is not. What's the woman?
Banana.
Are you working till what time?
3.
Arlene comes at 3.
Yeah, the next
That's a weird shift, that's 3.
It's 3
They
to
divide
10.
half and half?
Supposed to be 3 to 10. So long.
Oh, I thought you said 3 to 8.
So open mic, yes, yeah, it's made nothing. But tomorrow he might be able to have these.
우리가 페이퍼에 가라도 지리메요.
He doesn't have one?
뭐래요?
I told her, not even for the shift where I come.
Yeah.
이거 하는 데 이메일.
Done.
Good Lord, raise. Yes, you.
Is he back translate to OTA?
President. Oh, you got to this.
What's the name of me? Those who know, you know the politics. Concentrate here.
Immersion, whatever you got to do.
MIP, MIP.
What's that in now? What they got it for?
애기들?
Okay, I've got 2 minutes. Tell her that quick. Is he going to go like?
내가 뭐 지로 가지 뭐 우리도 뭐 가글라스에 왜 아무리 밖에 생난 아두두 왜 거다 chapter book nala nek mo chapter delu ise adudu 왜 거다 무기사다 가 무기신 바 데루 지세스페다 아마 지고 비관이 말 더아리구나 민구에 Poi ci sei sperato, adulto e stelue, poi sagasi, depnose. Nuda, mawaduno, mi jipjoy, me le depnos, mawaduno. Mawaduno, me le depnose, gescasi, penixgasi, sagarelado, filuno. Lento gahamal chibaj, ilohamadi, amal chibaj, stelue. Muderama tepknose bemixgasi. Sagati. Adudu estilo ramuch. Ayapti yakalago. Sabon wela. Ayapti.
inexpedidas. Oh. Ya katune, tandelu, agora se akatune, onde pa?
Scared squirrel.
Scared squirrel.
Squirrel was scared. He could not eat, he could not sleep, he could only worry. What is the matter, Squirrel? Asked Raccoon. Why are you so worried? Haven't you noticed that, Squirrel? The moon is disappearing. We need to get all the food we can now before it's too late. Deer and Raccoon looked up at the moon. The moon is not disappearing, said Raccoon. Yes, it is, said Squirrel. It is smaller than it was last night. Just wait. Tomorrow it will be even smaller.
Te partiremo?
Sort of.
Vamos comer, ele
It's not, I literally translated, but I went in base come up. It wasn't there.
So it go la. We got it done. We saw the banyan. We're on the disappearing moon. Reading A to Z, yeah?
Read neer te zien in de morning.
Jujua. Dat hoor je, wel op te maken, dat hoor je, maar later on, we're gonna we got it ganito. Go, zeg je nou de moeder, je hebt kunnen zeggen. Atandem. Ah? Kunnen je het doen? Kada je hebt kunnen zeggen. Hebt kunnen zeggen, kijk sega sida. Kami ang nede ko term. Kuya. Edit. Kada je hebt kunnen zeggen, je zag wat je hebt kunnen zeggen. Dit dat hebt kunnen zeggen. Dito ya. Dep kenu se piste that. Kesigen jeans what's all it. So could I ignore the one a few terms could I get those moon terms? Do you want? Do you be money can to Alvin? Is well man in luck. Do a bar could I get like it's out about Alvin poster. Faces of the moon, you know, and we develop Nick, you go, Dep can say, get that, and they go, faces of the moon, huh? Pega Dep can say, Bim Gariet, get that, Bim Niasit, Walpasiet, Nebewis, Akadasin, Tesakasit, Bim Gariet. So all the faces of the moon, they could do the mud, which was pretty. Biscuit me, the week I didn't, and they show interest. To learn the faces of the moon, you know the muscle, you know. The teachings of our grandfathers, we don't see how do, science class. This woman, let them wait for a science lesson. The faces of the moon, and you introduce it with a little story, huh?
20 was kunnen man.
It's a jump off point, Delaware,
So maybe we'll get same school.
Yeah.
Okay. Just be.
See, what you got, you know, get up to see.
Guess Kabegia? Okay. Yeah. So now we should lesson around it. After the USA,
Brenda, you gotta learn.
Okay, a lot of website. Their website, So that's one kind of website.
email it. Ano mo yan?
We got some hours. Go ahead, we got some books, posters.
May ako na, tinawag mo siya, email lang.
Posters, this one, these are
These out, they're PDFs, they're pretty high quality, so I don't know if they're really slowed down, because I know you don't download them, but when you guys click on them, you'll get a copy of it that you can download to your computer, and then you can
August.
print
August 2.
whatever colors you want.
Yeah. I know. How do you say pregnant in Mi'kmaq? Eskumak.
I'm pregnant. Can I have one? Kadus kamaktamay. I want to get pregnant.
Cool.
It's kamaktamay now.
I was wondering on the word for it.
Big when Cluedo, the closer you get to term, adil postigid man. Ediga postigid man. That's what first trimester. It's kamaktaman second trimester. Third trimester, Kiruwejidan. You're already.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's different words that are used.
Yeah.
These are all books that we can allow. There's a TK, like an ABC type book.
So is this the last exercise?
That's a frame, it's the leaf. It sounds more, you can use either ones here too. And if there's any broken links or anything, then please send me an email. I think my email link should be there somewhere too.
And Charity all done?
Mom, kakasali kayo? Yeah.
Oh.